in a Tesla Model X P100D. Next to me is a Lamborghini Aventador S, and we're going to have a drag race. So I've got a 100 kilowatt hour battery, 2 electric motors and 772 horsepower. Now, to tell you about that car, may as well have a word with its owner. It's Yanni from Yanni Mize. So Yanni, tell us a bit about your motor.
So it's an Aventador S. It's what, 740 brake horsepower I think it is. I'm not even sure. It's fast.
And it's going to give you a good run, I hope.
We know my Urus got beat, but this is going to be a different sort of race.
Yes, Yanni was a bit gutted that I beat his Urus with the Model X in our SUV drag race from last week.
Wow, the Tesla is gone! Bye-bye, Yanni!
So he wanted a rematch, but this time with his other Lamborghini, hence this rather odd matchup. A 7-seat electric SUV against a thoroughbred supercar. Which car do you think is going to win over the standing quarter mile? Click on the pop-out banner in the top right-hand corner of the screen to cast your vote. This Tesla or that Lambo.
Where is he? Where is he? I can't see him. Is he coming? Did he stay where he is? No way did you stay where you are.
No way, man!
Come on. Dirty.
Dirty. You are dirty, mate.
All I'm waiting is for you to do it so many times that you launch your clutch.
Not happy, mate. Not happy at all.
3, 2.
Oh, no, he's got me. Damn it. He's definitely got me. It's not by much, though.
What happened, mate? What happened?
I think I lost. I lost from the very beginning. You're so smug, aren't you? So then, what exactly happened? Well, the Lamborghini Aventador S did the standing quarter mile in 10.5 seconds, whereas the Tesla Model X took 11.3 seconds.
We'll be right back.